Meghan Markle. The latest role as Britain's Duchess of Sussex has come with a unique set of problems, all thanks to several estranged family members constantly speaking to the press. Meghan is absolutely broken by the drama with her father, a source close to the former Suits star told Us Weekly Wednesday. There's no way she can have a relationship with him or even reach out to him to stop him from speaking. She knows he'll record the conversation and sell it. She has anxiety wondering if this will go on forever. Despite her public woe, the 37-year-old has received support from her grandmother-in-law, Queen Elizabeth II. What may surprise some is just how supportive Her Majesty has been during the problems Meghan has faced with her family, claimed Buckingham Palace insider. Meghan is in a tough place, and the Queen knows it's completely out of Meghan's hands. She has only sympathy for what's been a difficult and distressing situation for her. The Palace insider added the 92-year-old monarch has great admiration for the American actress, who became the newest member of the House of Windsor when she married Prince Harry in May. While Meghan and the Queen come from two very different backgrounds and generations, there's a warmth between the two that's genuine and loving, said the source. Harry, 33, was determined to make sure Elizabeth and Markle had a close bond. He wanted to make sure every family member knew that the Queen supported the relationship and how important it would be for Meghan, who's from a very different background, to feel welcomed and supported, said another source. The insider added it was Harry who requested a sit-down with his grandmother when he knew his romance with Markle was getting serious. The Queen became fan of Meghan at their first meeting, said the insider. Not just because she's the charming woman who brought happiness into her grandson's life, but also because she quickly demonstrated that she's intelligent, polite and keen to learn. Just days before Meghan walked down the aisle in front of millions to marry Harry, she announced her father wouldn't attend the royal wedding following his heart surgery. Sadly, my father will not be attending our wedding, she said in a statement released by Kensington Palace. I have always cared for my father and hope he can be given the space he needs to focus on his health. I would like to thank everyone who has offered generous messages of support. Please know how much Harry and I look forward to sharing our special day with you on Saturday. Kensington Palace then announced Meghan would be walked down the aisle by Prince Charles, Harry's father. Markle's surgery followed days of press surrounding his health and speculation on whether or not he'd attend the royal wedding. He also started deadlines when it was revealed he staged paparazzi photos that showed him preparing for the big day. Back in January, Grant, 53, told Fox News she and her family are new to the spotlight and it can be difficult to cope with the worldwide interest in their personal lives. As much as I love and respect Meg, she's got a security and a publicist and can be protected from all that, said Grant. She and Harry can tell the media to stop. The rest of the family doesn't have that luxury. I love her, but she may not want me saying anything. I refuse to be victim of the media. I'm not going to let them disparage me, embarrass me personally and professionally and not defend myself. I can only hope she would respect and understand that. In fact, if I were Meg, I would probably put something out there so that there was some sort of protective mechanism in place where the family couldn't be tortured as much.